In 2002, Karmapa visited Varanasi, India for 1 week. Within Varanasi is one of the most sacred sites of the Buddhist tradition, Deer Park. This was Karmapa's first visit to Deer Park. The purpose of his visit was to pray for world peace, an aspiration known as Munlam. Outside the Deer Park stupa, a statue marks the location of Lord Buddha's first talk with his 5 disciples. Inside the stupa, the cremated remains of Lord Buddha have been interred. A single tooth, said to have survived cremation, remains. Elsewhere on this site, temples celebrating Buddhism worldwide can be found. Here we see a traditional Thai temple, an Indian temple, Japanese, and Burmese. After touring Deer Park, Karmapa was received by a nearby school for the blind. The students honored Karmapa with a presentation of their many arts and crafts. Afterwards, Karmapa had tea with school officials and wrote poems with joyful aspirations for the future of the school and its cherished students. Karmapa then traveled to Kushinagar, the sacred site where Buddha died and was cremated. Later that week, the Dalai Lama traveled to Varanasi to join Karmapa in a prayer for world peace. This program invites you to join in this sacred aspiration.